Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over the new and most recent farming methods of everything. Now, first we're going to start off with gem farming. Gem farming is really very easy in this update, because you have Infinity Castle, plus you have the new Infinite mode, which allows you to get new units, which will carry you in the regular mode. So how do I do the regular? How do I even get this new Infinite mode? Well, before I talk about that, I have to finish the gem farming method. To do Infinity Castle easily, first you have to have a decent ground unit and a decent air unit. Honestly, I would take what is it? The new Jujutsu Kaisen, ground unit is good. Air unit, not the air unit. You don't have any unit. But honestly, that's all I think you should do. And since you can only do it solo, I really don't think Infinity Castle is the best if you don't have good air units. Like, I have my tiny non-evoed, I will evolve from soon. This is why I'm doing the challenge right now. But, yeah, that's basically all. I really don't think Infinity Castle is good for low levels. I think you low levels should do, or just run people that are in the medium that cannot do Infinity Castle. Just grind Infinite mode until you have enough gems to do pity. Once you have enough gems to do pity, you should just once you have pity, you should be able to spin for any unit you want. Honestly, the unit I think you should go for is a Bolt Gun or an Eerie. Those are the two units I suggest you go for. The reason why Gun, I believe, is a hybrid. I believe Gun is a hybrid as well. I believe Gun is a hybrid, so yeah, he's good to have. And I will go over the most recent Infinite mode grinding method, but right now I'm just going over the general gem farming. So for medium levels, it's Infinite mode to get good units. The pity, remember, is 20k without VIP, and the pity with VIP is 16k. Always keep that in mind when you have gems. Always keep that in mind when you have gems. So next we're gonna go over the new Halloween update. Now, to do the new Halloween update, it's very easy. There are a bunch of people grinding that right now at this moment. There are a lot of people grinding that at this moment, and I really do think this is your best time to start grinding. This is your best time to start grinding. Alright, y'all, so if y'all have any other time, if y'all have any free time, just start grinding the update right now. A lot of people are grinding it right now, so this is the best time. But what level am I also on? 160. 160. Alright, so Halloween update. Let me go over it. No problem. So Halloween update, let me go over this. It's very oversimplified. I'm in lobby right now, alright? I'm a decently high level. Okay? I'm gonna show you this right now. Alright? I'm a decently high level, alright? So I'm gonna go into a bark right now. If my game can load, I'll show you what I mean by it's very easy to grind through a bark if you're trying to grind it. If I go over here, you see what level I'm at, right? You see what level I'm at. So if I just go all the way over here, wait here, there will be people coming after me. Like, look, for example, this guy followed right after me, and I went in. And see, there will be people coming if you just have to go in the right server. People will be clustered over you. So that's basically just how you do this. You see this guy? This guy just ran in here. You will find people for this. But you should probably get it over with. Get the grinding over with as soon as the update starts. I highly suggest you get on the game, finish it, so you don't have to worry about it later. Because later it's gonna be a problem. When you don't have anybody to grind with. Or unless you have people that actually play the game with you. But that's kind of difficult to find. So, I'm going to show you all the meta for this mode, and then after that, I'm going to move on to the next grinding method. So, the meta for this mode is a good area. I believe gun is a hybrid. I believe so, okay? I could be wrong, but if gun is a hybrid, gun's the meta for gun's a meta. A kainu, and erza. Those are the areas. All of them need to be evo. Please don't use non-evo in this mode. We most likely not gonna pass. My kainu is non-evo, so I can't really talk. I need to get a passive on him though. That's one thing I'm missing for him. But the grind unit meta is probably any decent damage dealer. Just anything, because you're most likely going to be doing this with other people. So it's not like you're going to be soloing this. Unless you're trying to solo it, then you just go and find a server and do that. But if you are having trouble doing this solo, then I highly suggest you have people to play it with. It makes the game much easier. Like on this run, we will probably get to wave 50, defeat Mario, which should be pretty easy for us. Because I just saw one guy have evolved Stark, which should be able to carry us for a while. So yeah, that's basically the meta for this mode. It's really just if you just have two good air units and if you just have a good air unit and a good ground unit, which everyone's good for this mode too. If you have a good passive on Erza, which I don't have a good passive on my Erza because a lot of that isn't correct. I'm ready for a star emit or a challenge to star emit so I can space faster because I have a depth on him right now. But not level 96 Erza, I don't really need to level him up anymore. So I really don't care about that. But Erwin, definitely use him if you don't have any other good units. Next, let's go into gold farming, because people do use the gold for the news, what is it? Curse Parade. So, what I suggest you do is summon whenever there's a good unit. Whenever you summon when there's a good unit in the unit, you will, and I mean you will, you get a lot of gold. Put auto sell on whatever you need to auto sell. And that should be it. Unless you have all the units in the game, then you can just do challenges, or you can just still summon in the banner if you just have a good amount of resumes with some gold, good gold. And sometimes there's codes that give you gold. But I really suggest just using your gems instead of your gold, because your gold is used for quite a few things. But your gems, I just suggest using your gems if you are low on gold. If you have a lot of gold, just use your gold. If you're low on gold, just use your gold, because it's only gold. It's not that much. You can basically go into Infinity Castle and you'd have enough, because it gives them 150. But I really think that's all. So, but if you are a low level and you are not able to do Infinity Castle, and you just started the game, you got Mammoth, you just are on stage 1, get Mammoth Infinity and wait for Sonic to be on the banner. Then get to wave 10 and just keep farming that. Or you could go back and play everything, or you could go back and play Mammoth on hard mode, which is another good one. Another good way is just by hopping accounts until you get a decent until you get a legendary. Which that's probably the ideal strategy if you're a new. Which I did that and I got Whitebeard, which was nice. It was good. Oh my gosh, this is like self-learning. So yeah, that's all you really need to do. That's low level and the high level. Now let's say, let me think about what else we have. Oh, curse parade. My method for doing curse parade is coming soon. As you see, my units are not leveled up yet. I have not been leveling up my units. I've really been playing a lot. I've been going to different things, seeing how many units you need, how many people you need at the least. And I've seen you basically only need 2 people. You need 1 person that can hold off early waves and 1 person that can hold off late waves. That's all you need to do in Curse Parade. The best units for holding them off are just any good one. Like for example, you have unique gun, use that. But a lot of people don't have unique guns, so if you just have gun, actually, it's pretty easy to get unique gun because you just gotta spend on it. But not everybody gets it, so just get going. Or if you don't have a good gun for unit that's unlimited, you should go in there with one. I don't suggest trying to solo it with the legendaries. It's not gonna go very good for you. That's impossible at the moment. Even I am using a unique legendary, and I'm still getting destroyed with it. Well, maybe because it's from not that recent update, but still. Well, if I had unique but I feel like that's it. Yeah, that's it. So that's the updated grinding method. Every update, I will update a new grinding method. In the next videos, I'll be going over how to get certain things easier. And the video after that, I'm probably just going to be doing some fun stuff. Maybe just some fun. I don't know. But I'll see you in the next video. And peace. Also, sorry for the lack of content. There's really no reason for it. I'm just trying to brainstorm a good way to upload a video. And I was like, you know what, screw it. I'm just gonna upload a video. And yeah, this is what I came up with. So peace. See y'all later.